Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, August 17th, 2026 at 10:17, and today we have our day 1 outlook to look at for today. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for today. Before we get started, I would like to look for something over here, damage survey, because I'm going to read that over my station here in a little bit. So anyway, going into the day 2 outlook, or day 1 outlook, we have a slight risk that encompasses parts of extreme southeastern North Dakota, western Minnesota, eastern South Dakota, northwestern Iowa, and central and southern Nebraska, and northern Nebraska, excuse me. So we have those areas under a slight risk. We also have a slight risk that encompasses parts of eastern Tennessee, extreme northern Georgia, northern South Carolina, western to central North Carolina, and southern Virginia. We have a margin of risk today that encompasses parts of northeastern Alabama, northern Georgia, central to northern South Carolina, central North Carolina, western to central Virginia, I'd say much of Virginia actually, much of West Virginia, western Maryland, and parts of eastern Kentucky and middle Tennessee. We have another margin of risk that encompasses parts of central to western Arkansas and eastern to central Oklahoma. And we have another margin of risk that encompasses northeastern New Mexico, western Oklahoma Panhandle, eastern Colorado, western and northern Kansas, much of Nebraska, northeastern Wyoming, southeastern Montana, much of South Dakota, southeastern North Dakota, and western and central Minnesota, and northwestern Iowa. So we have those areas under a margin of risk for today. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for today. Today we have a 2% tornado risk that encompasses parts of central to northern Nebraska, southeastern South Dakota, extreme northwestern Iowa, and southwestern Minnesota. So we have those areas under a 2% tornado risk for today. We have Sioux Falls, North Platte, Norfolk, Brookings, and Mitchell under the 2%. So we could see a EF0 tornado possible in the 2% area today. Going into the wind threat for today, we have a 15% that encompasses extreme southeastern North Dakota, southeastern and eastern South Dakota, western Minnesota, northwestern Iowa, and central to northern Nebraska. We have another 15% over here that encompasses eastern Tennessee, northern Georgia, northern South Carolina, western to central North Carolina, and southern Virginia. We have a 5% that encompasses northeastern Alabama, northern Georgia, northern South Carolina, central North Carolina, much of Virginia, much of West Virginia, western Maryland, eastern Kentucky, and middle Tennessee. And extreme southeastern Ohio. I didn't even see that they were under the marginal in the first place. But extreme southeastern Ohio is under a marginal. I didn't see that. So I do apologize. We also have a 5% over here that encompasses western and central Arkansas and eastern and central Oklahoma. And we have another 5% that encompasses northeastern New Mexico, western Oklahoma Panhandle, eastern Colorado, western and northern Kansas, much of Nebraska, northeastern Wyoming, southeastern Montana, much of South Dakota, southeastern North Dakota, western and central Minnesota, and northwestern Iowa. So we have those areas under a 5% for today. We have Charlotte, Raleigh, Greensboro, Durham, and Winston-Salem under the 15%, and Oklahoma City, Omaha, Minneapolis, Lincoln, and Richmond under the 5%. So for the 15% areas today, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 5% we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible today, so please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for today, we have a 15% that encompasses central to northern Nebraska, southeastern South Dakota, extreme northwestern Iowa, and southwestern Minnesota. We have a 5% that encompasses parts of northwestern Iowa, western Minnesota, southeastern North Dakota, central and eastern South Dakota, central and southern Nebraska, and northeastern Colorado, as well as northern Kansas. So we have those areas under a 5% for today. We have Sioux Falls, North Platte, Norfolk, Waterstown, and Brookings under the 15%, and Fargo, Sioux City, Grand Island, Moorhead, and Kearney under the 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 1 to 3 inch diameter hail possible today. 5% we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible today, so please be mindful of that. Going into the wind threat summary for today, it says thunderstorms with severe wind gusts and hail will be possible this afternoon and evening across parts of the central and northern plains. Damaging wind gusts will also be possible in parts of the southern Appalachians into the North Carolina, Piedmont, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe today. There's today's hail risk. There's today's wind risk. There's today's tornado risk. And there's today's day one outlook. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe today. Even if you are under a marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope to have my day 2 outlook later on this afternoon. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.